A new subject we'll deal today.
Okay.
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 See, for the producers who have made their films, movies are ready, they want to sell for OTT
Okay.
or satellite, how to sell for satellite, how to get satellite rights,
Okay.
how to sell for OTT. Okay, that we'll do. One proposal. And for that, what we have to do, one film we'll take. Any one newly made film we take and we discuss that. So that the producers will come to know how to sell satellite rights, how to go for the OTT. Okay? So we give them a proposal. We'll give you a proposal now how to sell. For example, we'll take a film.
Okay.
One film we'll take, Telugu film, then we will discuss. Okay?
Okay.
So producers they'll be very happy. Oh, that is some guidance they give. Okay?
Okay.
Proposal for selling OTT. Proposal for selling films for OTT or how to get satellite rights. Okay? This is the proposal. How to prepare proposal, how to send to them. First, what you have to do, name of the film. For example, this film, we are taking this film, one Telugu film, Cinema Bagundi. It's the title of the film. Okay? Duration, 2 hours, 3 minutes. CBFC certificate. CBFC means Censor Board. CBFC, Central Board of Film Certification. After every film is made, that is to be censored by CBFC. We call it Censor Board or CBFC. So, for this film, Cinema Bagundi, CBFC gave U by A. That is the certificate, censor certificate. Name of the banner, Konapareddy Movies. Photo cards, 7 enclosed. Trailers, promos, teasers, 3 numbers enclosed. Story, synopsis. We have to tell what there in the film, what is there. The story in synopsis we have to say. Story synopsis, enclosed in English. Project started on 1/5/2015. Project means film censored on 19/11/2015. Film released on 1/1/2022. So these are the details required. Okay? And then after that, what you have to do, the producer, what you have to do, artist list. You have to prepare one artist list. Artists worked in Cinema Bagundi in this film. Krishnudu, Ali, Vennela Kishore, Dhanras, Chamak Chandra, Junior Ralangi, Chitti, Miss Sarayu, Miss Anusha, Miss Sarala, Amar, Anji, Vinod and 30 other male and female characters.
Okay.
In this film they worked. So apart from these 30 male female characters worked in this film, they are very versatile in drama, that is on stage. They are mature actors, artists, and in drama, in stage, they are very known personalities. Okay? Once artist list is ready, then we have to give the technicians list. Director in this film, one film we are discussing now. Director, Hyderabad Hari Prasad. Producer, Konapareddy Prithviraj. Editor, Venkateshwarlu Kamepalli. Cinematographer, Murali Krishna R. Recording, RK Studios. Music Director, Ravi Kumar. Dubbing at Sri Sai Studios. Sound Engineer, Murali. Story Writer, Hyderabad Hari Prasad. Lyricist, Dr. Rani Pulomani Devi. Music Director, Arjun. And other names also, if required, you need to write here. Then other details to be given for either for satellite or for OTT. Hard disk drive ready for submission to channel with a censor certificate incorporated at the beginning of the film whenever demanded by the channel or OTT. Rate expected for this film 40 lakhs. About director, Mr. Hyderabad Hari Prasad studied in 5 universities and acquainted film knowledge and acquired higher qualifications in these 5 universities. He acquired master's degree in mass communication with film specialization from ICFA University. He holds other PG degrees in public relations, tourism, journalism, English literature from SV University, Usmania University, Andhra University and Pondicherry University. He has 20 years of film exposure and worked for many films. He has a strong strengths in film making. It is his third film, independent film as director, other two being Hyderabadlo and Navula Sandadi, all being Telugu straight feature films. His passion for cinema is applauded by different quarters and popular among Telugu audience. He is in the process of transforming Indian cinema and taking it to heights, thereby to zenith position in the world. He is also a writer par excellence with 30 published books to his credit. He has taught direction and acting classes in different institutions including Asian Academy of Film and Television at Noida near Delhi. He dedicates his life to film making. Such a thought-provoking creative director directed this film. Like this we need to narrate. Okay? So that they will understand who directed the film. About other technicians, you need to write something. All are veteran technicians who have years of experience in their profession worked for this film. And you need to write about studios and labs and studio used for post-production of this film. Or so here what you have to understand, the studios, labs, whatever used for production or post-production of this film, they are all to be registered with Telugu Film Chamber of Commerce and Film Development Corporation, etc. Then publicity. You need to write something about publicity. Under publicity, what you have to write? Wider publicity is given to this film both in cyber world and virtual world. That means virtual world means physical world. Visit konapareddymovies.com for posters and stills of this film. Also visit YouTube to watch publicity and trailers of this film. The print medium Andhra Jyoti, a leading Telugu newspaper for publicity, was used for ads, newspaper ads. Sapphire Press located at Sivakase was used for posters printing, and the posters were got pasted on the walls by exhibitors throughout Andhra, Nizam, Seeded and parts of Karnataka and Orissa extensively. TV publicity was also being used for drawing crowds to theatres. Bus panels, auto ads, neon ads were also certified. Were also utilized for drawing audience to theatres. New media, including social media, were used for wider publicity of this film. In a word, as far as possible, publicity is concerned, no stone is unturned. Major chunk of publicity budget was spent on hoardings, billboards and flex banners. We felt it appropriate as TV channels are buying the satellite rights. It would get more sponsors when they screen over small screen. Hence, wider publicity was given to this film. Okay. about censor. Censor Board, also called Central Board of Film Certification, CBFC, watched this film and rated U by A certificate without a single cut. This picture is considered to be feel good movie by all. Check. When TV channel has to send the check has to be sent. Check is to be made in the name of Konapareddy Prudviras or Konapareddy Movies, represented by producer Konapareddy Prudviras, and payable at Hyderabad by Konapareddy Movies. Phone number 90106428899. So this is the way you have to submit a proposal for OTT or satellite. For satellite right or OTT, you have to submit this proposal like this. So this proposal you can use, modify here and there and submit to TV channels or to OTT platforms. Okay? Thank you. Bye.